Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. My favorite food. Food is a very important part of life. Everyone has a favorite food that they enjoy eating. My favorite food is pizza. It is the most delicious food I have ever tasted. Whenever I eat it, I feel happy and satisfied. Why I love my favorite food. I love pizza because of its taste, smell, and texture. It has a perfect balance of flavors. When I take the first bite, I feel a burst of different tastes in my mouth. The smell is also very pleasant, making me feel hungry even before eating. The texture is soft, crispy, or chewy, depending on how it is cooked. Special occasions and my favorite food. My favorite food is often part of special occasions. I eat it during birthdays, festivals, family gatherings, and celebrations. These moments make my favorite food even more special because I enjoy it with my loved ones. The ingredients of my favorite food. To make pizza, we need several ingredients. Some of the main ingredients are: list some ingredients, e.g., cheese, tomatoes, flour, chicken, vegetables, spices, or any other items used in the dish. Each ingredient plays an important role in making the dish delicious. For example, if my favorite food is pizza, the cheese makes it creamy, the tomato sauce adds a tangy flavor, and the crust is soft and crispy. If my favorite food is rice and curry, the spices give it a rich taste, and the vegetables or meat add texture. How my favorite food is made. Making pizza is a fun and exciting process. It requires careful preparation and the right cooking techniques. Here is how it is usually made. 1. Preparation. All ingredients are gathered and cleaned. Vegetables are chopped, meat is seasoned, and dough is prepared if needed. 2. Cooking. The ingredients are cooked using different methods such as frying, boiling, grilling, or baking. 3. Final touch. After cooking, additional toppings or seasonings are added to enhance the flavor. 4. Serving. The dish is served hot and fresh. Sometimes it is enjoyed with a side dish, sauce, or a refreshing drink. Cooking my favorite food takes an hour, but the result is always worth it. The delicious taste makes the effort enjoyable. Where I eat my favorite food. I eat pizza at different places. Sometimes I enjoy it at home when my family prepares it. Other times I visit my favorite restaurant to eat it. Some restaurants make it very tasty because they use special recipes and ingredients. Whenever I go on vacation, I also try different versions of my favorite food. Different regions or countries have unique ways of making it. This helps me experience new flavors and styles of cooking. My favorite food and my health. Eating my favorite food makes me happy, but I also try to eat it in a healthy way. Some foods can be high in calories, sugar, or fat, so it is important to enjoy them in moderation. If my favorite food is pizza, I try to eat it with healthy toppings like vegetables and lean meats. If I love sweets, I eat them in small amounts so they do not affect my health. Drinking water and eating fruits along with my favorite food helps keep my diet balanced. Eating home-cooked food is always a good idea because it is fresh and healthy. When my family makes my favorite food at home, we can control the ingredients and make it more nutritious. Special occasions and my favorite food. My favorite food is often part of special occasions. I eat it during birthdays, festivals, family gatherings, and celebrations. These moments make my favorite food even more special because I enjoy it with my loved ones. For example, on my birthday, my family always prepares pizza for me. It makes me feel happy and loved. During holidays, we cook it together and share it with friends and relatives. The joy of eating together makes the food taste even better. Other foods I like. Even though pizza is my favorite, I also like other foods. Some of my other favorite dishes include: list a few other foods you like, e.g., pasta, ice cream, sandwiches, soup, seafood, fruits, etc. Each of these foods has a unique taste and texture that I enjoy. Sometimes I like to try new foods. Exploring different cuisines helps me learn about different cultures and flavors. It is fun to taste different spices, ingredients, and cooking styles. Trying to cook my favorite food. I love eating my favorite food, but I also want to learn how to cook it. Cooking is an important skill, and making my favorite dish at home is a great experience. One day, I tried to cook pizza by myself. At first, it was a little difficult, but with practice, I got better. I followed a recipe and carefully measured all the ingredients. When it was finally ready, I was so happy. It tasted delicious, and I felt proud of myself. Cooking is fun because I can experiment with flavors and ingredients. I hope to learn more recipes in the future and cook for my family and friends. Why food is important in life. Food is not just about taste, it is also important for our health, energy, and happiness. It gives us the nutrients we need to grow and stay strong. Eating a balanced diet helps us stay fit and active. Food also brings people together. Sharing meals with family and friends creates love and happiness. Many cultures have special dishes that represent their traditions and history. Trying different foods helps us learn more about the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.